The black-necked crane is a unique bird species in China, and its population is very rare. It is a national first-class protected animal. Black-necked crane is also the only crane in the world that grows and breeds on the plateau. Every autumn is the winter migration season for black-necked crane. In order to find suitable winter wetlands, they travel between the Qinghai Tibet Plateau and the Yunnan Guizhou Plateau. Black-necked crane are very particular about the winter environment. In the early years, the area was sparsely covered with meadows and the waters were muddy. They never came here. Since China has established a nature reserve here, the government has continued to strengthen ecological protection and has built a nearly 4,000 mu black-necked crane food source base. The country provides sufficient food security for black-necked crane to find food in the wild. Gradually, black-necked crane come, and more, from dozens to hundreds, until now thousands. Yesterday there was a heavy snowfall here, and the entire valley, fields, and wetlands were covered in snow. The branches covered in white snow were quite beautiful. The temperature dropped to -8, and the early morning wetlands had frozen into a thin sheet of ice. As soon as the sun rises, the temperature will immediately rise, and those beautiful tree hangings and the snow on the ground will soon disappear. This provides convenience for black-necked crane to find food and roost. The food of the black king crane is usually the leaves, roots, and stems of plants, as well as water plants. It also eats insects, small fish, and so on. In the wintering area, they can enjoy the leftover grains in the farmland, such as potatoes, oats, buckwheat, etc. Sometimes they even compete with people to eat the seeds of plants that farmers have just planted. If in extreme environments, the management personnel of nature reserves will also provide appropriate grain food for these migratory birds. The natural environment here creates a good Lebensraum for birds, in addition to migratory birds. Many rare bird species live and work here in peace and contentment. The people here have given great tolerance to these birds, taking care of them as if they were children.